Good morning everyone. Welcome to your English class. Today we are going to start with the writing section, that is section B. Today's topic of writing is paragraph writing. Before proceeding with the topic what is paragraph writing, let us introduce you with the topic. What is paragraph writing actually is. Paragraph writing is a brief piece of writing that's around 7 to 10 sentences long. It has a topic, sentence and supporting sentences that all relate closely to the topic sentence. Now the question comes, why we write paragraph? The purpose of paragraph is to express a speaker's thoughts, views, ideas on a particular point in a clear way, or you can say in a unique way and specific to that paragraph. So, today's topic of paragraph writing is value of discipline. Everybody says be in discipline. You are in school, be in discipline, you are at home. What does this word discipline actually mean? Discipline means the practice of training people to obey rules or a code of behavior using punishment to correct disobedience. Now, why there is need to be in discipline? Discipline brings stability and structure into a person's life. If there were no discipline, people would do whatever they wanted and make mistakes without putting the consideration of others first and foremost. It promotes good human behavior to better society and make it a more enjoyable place for everyone to live. So, without wasting much of your time, our today's topic of paragraph writing is value of discipline. Before starting with the topic value of discipline, I want you to remember certain points while writing a paragraph. First point is heading should be written. Second, introduction to the topic. Third is description. Fourth is additional information, and the last is conclusion. So here I am sharing a small video or PDF of topic value of discipline. Please go through it, understand it, and just learn why we need to value discipline and what is the requirement to